Hey guys, namaste. Welcome to my channel called World Cuisine with Ramesh. So today I chose the recipe from Tex Mex Cuisine. It's a ground meat chili. So I'm going to make a ground bison chili. Let's do some cooking. The ingredients are 8 ounces of mushroom, 15 to 16 ounces of kidney beans, 1 carrot chopped, 3 ounces of tomato paste, 1 small sized onion chopped, 2 tablespoons of cilantro chopped, half a cup of parsley chopped, 1 lb ground bison meat, and 2 cups of any stocks. Spices: half a teaspoon of chili, bird's eye chili, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of red chili pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, and the cheese to complement. Heat the pot with the 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Fry the onion. Once the onion is soft, add the ground meat and mix it with the onion together. Add all the spices. Mix it together. Add carrots and mushroom. Stir it. Close the lid, cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, stir it and add the stock and then make a tomato paste and mix it on the pot. And let it sit for 20 minutes. Before 5 minutes, add the kidney beans. And add salt. After total 20 minutes of cooking, here is the final dish. Garnish with cilantro and parsley and complement with the sour cream on the plate. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos.